Well, I wanted to thank you all for coming to support Dr. Ferrer, to join us tonight as we celebrate the official book launch of his new book, Cough Cures.
To me, Gus Ferrer is a missionary. He's been all over the world. And as a missionary, you get to see what works and what doesn't work. There is something that goes like this. There is high tech and there is high teach. When you're able to combine both of them together, you have magic. And that's what Gus Ferrer has done with this book, which, by the way, took longer than a pregnant woman gives birth. It took 3 years to get it done. But that's what makes a book a good book. But I was asking people, why are you here tonight? One of them said, because God saved my husband's life. Another one said, because I looked at the book, and my mother was right. A lot of these complimentary things do work.